Welcome to the AI-Assisted Training channel. Acquiring the skill to manage references by Endnote is important for individuals seeking to publish their works, including books, articles, and more. Learning Endnote is simple. To begin, install Endnote 20 or a newer version on Windows. Launch Endnote 20 and click the New option from the File menu to create a new Endnote library. Designate a location on your personal computer to save the newly created Endnote library file. Additionally, you need to select a name for the new Endnote library file before saving it. Next, click on the Save option, which will open the newly created Endnote library file. Now, open the text file by using the Microsoft Word software where you intend to insert the references. As an instance, I have previously paraphrased this sentence from a PDF article here, and now I want to cite the reference for this sentence. To do this, first I search the title of the source article in Google to find it. This is the source article which I want to cite. I double-click the title of the article to access the Springer website. In the Springer website, just below the title of the article, I click on the Cite this article option and then click on the Download Citation option. A RIS file is downloaded. From the downloads in my PC, I click on the RIS file so that the reference is imported to the new Endnote library. Now I can open the new Endnote library where the desired reference is imported. From the Summary section in the right side box, I click on the Edit option. By rolling mouse cursor toward the bottom of the box, I check the information that exists in the reference, and if the abstract of the article is written in the abstract section, I delete it, because it is usually not necessary to mention the abstract in the final references of your work. Now I click again on the reference in Endnote library to highlight it. Then I go to the Word document and find the Endnote 20 menu on top of the ribbon and click on it. I place the mouse cursor at the end of the paraphrased sentence and select the Insert Selected Citation from the Insert Citation menu. With this, both the in-text reference and the out-text reference from the new Endnote library are inserted into the Word page. I also want to show how to download RIS files from other well-known websites such as Elsevier, PubMed, and Citation APA. Here is a paraphrased sentence from an article published in Science Direct. In the article page on Science Direct website, just below the article title, find the Cite option and click on it, and then click Export Citation to RIS. Again, a RIS file is downloaded. Double-click the RIS file to import it to the Endnote library, highlight the reference in Endnote and go to the Word file. Place the cursor at the end of the related sentence and click Insert Selected Citation. There is another paraphrased sentence here cited from an article on the Citation APA website. On Citation website, click Export option, then from the drop-down menu select Endnote Desktop and then click Go. Again, the RIS file is downloaded. You can import it to the Endnote library and then to the Word file by clicking Insert Selected Citation. Finally, the last sentence is paraphrased from an article on the PubMed website. When the article is open on the PubMed website, click Send to, and then click Citation Manager. A file of the type NIBIB will be downloaded. Again, you can double-click it to import the reference to the Endnote library, and then you can easily inset it to the Word file. It should be noted that the spoken presentation of this tutorial was produced using AI text-to-speech technology. Click like and subscribe the channel to be notified when new videos are released. In the upcoming videos, we will explore additional skills for utilizing Endnote.